welcome back, everybody. We're going to shotgun style this video a little bit, all right? So bear with me. Oh, here we go. Say it with me. Let's go to the lab and get caught up on some stuff. How's that grab you? Okay, here we go. All right, preppers. Whatever. We're going to continue playing with the dehydrator. To keep you back up to speed, we started out with some Roma tomatoes, right? And used that slicer thing. Did a tray of those on the sheet, and then I did a tray on the just the rack. See which was a little better or whatever. All right. So here they are. Yeah, just about ready. Looks fine to me. They're dry. And what do you do with these things? Well, some people put them on pizzas or whatever, Okay, they're tomatoes. You can rehydrate them, like I said, throw them in soup or whatever. But the thing is, I don't want to powder them or mess with them. I got enough powdery stuff. These are nice and just right in little discs. Right, pop one in your mouth. You can make a tomato sandwich. What? Look at that. Nice. How many tomatoes in there? I don't know. I forgot I threw in some macaroni too. That came out really good. Why is that? It's already cooked, right? The Brussels sprouts. Disaster. We won't even talk about it in this video, okay? Oh, look at this. Pulling out some blueberries. Now, what I'm doing with this, here they are, right? Nice. I want to make blueberry ice cream. So, since these were pre-frozen, no reason to blanch, anything like that, and the skin already starts to burst and release and suck up. It's like a raisin, but it's blueberries, right? Ooh, threw out a steak, a couple eggs, and the hash browns from the other day. Gave them a quick little pan fry. Nice. Got the cheese in it and all the spices and the goodness. Oh, not too shabby. You know what I mean? I had to cook something, but I really like my induction cooktop. Oh, look at that! Right, oozing out. The steak is so delicious. Uh, it's the way I got it all now. It's mindless. It's very good, very good. Would you eat that? Uh, do a quick one, right? Oh, look at that loveliness, right? The steak is so just nice. Thanks everybody for popping in on this Memorial Day, I guess. Very nice, very nice. You guys have a great day. And leave a comment if you wish or not or whatever. Later.